Productivity is about maximizing your time and tasks within a reasonable time frame. Depending on who you ask, the priorities vary and are different. In today's fast-paced and busy world, we are increasingly depending on tools to boost our productivity. Sometimes we juggle with so many tasks and responsibilities that it becomes difficult to stay on task. So thankfully, there are apps and services that can help you by sticking to your goals. Productivity tools are tailored to different lifestyles and different interests. In this video, I will go over some of the highly recommended services that helps with optimizing time and effort. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This way you can receive my upcoming videos. Let's start with number 10. Beeminder. Beeminder is a motivation tool that helps users visualize goals and set measurable targets. For example, if it is about going to the gym, spending less time on social media, learning a new language, investing time on a project with a deadline, this app is right for you. Not only does it help you focus on the goal, but minimize distractions. Number 9. Toggl. Toggl was founded in 2006 and provides online time tracking software tailored towards freelancers, graphic designers, and consultants. One of the perks of the service is its generous free tier of service. With Toggl, you can keep track of the time you spend on different tasks and review if you spent your time wisely. The functionality of Toggl is not restricted by device. In other words, it can work on your computer, tablet, and phone while simultaneously keeping track of the number of hours worked on a specific task or project. It is an intuitive and easy-to-use service that provides users the tools they need to keep track of time. Number 8. Evernote. Evernote is a household name, and the company was founded in 2000. The app allows users to capture, organize, and find your information across multiple platforms. You can add to-dos, images, web pages, and has a built-in searchable option. You can organize and customize the notes whatever way you want for a seamless experience. Number 7. Rescue Time. Rescue Time is headquartered in Seattle and founded in 2007. It is a web-based management tool that monitors a user's computer usage and time spent on a site. It is available on iOS and Android platforms. It allows users to track not just on mobile, but also on systems like Linux and Windows OS. The experience is seamless and has an intuitive user interface. Number 6. Todoist. Todoist was founded in 2007 in London, England. It is a project management solution that meets the needs of small and mid-sized businesses. It offers a 3-tier pricing scheme. The benefits are that Todoist is cross-platform and has excellent features. It has natural language input and productivity reports. It is definitely a great resource for creating to-do lists and getting them done. Number 5. Freedom. Block distractions. Freedom was founded in 2015. It is a digital distraction solution and offers comprehensive support on more than just one device. It can block distractions across all devices like Windows PC, Macintosh, Android phone, iPhone, and tablets. The company has 3 pricing models. Users who sign up can do a monthly, yearly, or a forever subscription. What is nice is that once you set what sites to block, the app enforces it across all your devices, so you are less distracted. Number 4. Noizio. The Noizio was launched in 2014, and it is a minimalistic sound equalizer for Mac OS X and iOS. The premise is very simple, yet effective. You increase your productivity by tuning out the thoughts in your mind or around by listening to relaxing music. You can choose from more than 30 sounds of nature to unwind and enjoy downtime. Number 3. IFT. The company's name stands for If This, Then That, also known as IFT. Also, IFT is considered the world's leading connectivity platform. It helps users save time by automating the internet tasks that you always do. For instance, you can back up your media files to a cloud account, message friends, and more. The pre-built applets, the utility program that performs one or a few single functions, which performs all your most common tasks. Number 2. AnyDo. AnyDo is based in Tel Aviv and founded in 2011. According to Crunchbase, the tool is utilized by over 20 million people. Why? The answer is users love it because it helps them stay organized and get more done productively. It is an all-in-one productivity solution that combines the calendar, tasks, lists, and reminders. It is a robust tool that allows you to plan your schedule accordingly. Number 1. Spark. Spark is a subdivision of Riaddle, and the company was founded in 2007. It is an award-winning app and helps to manage your emails. It has built-in capabilities to analyze your most important emails and helps users classify them as the top priority. Emails are divided into the following categories: personal, newsletters, and notifications. You can download this app for free on the Mac and iOS. So, these are the best productivity tools that will help you organize your life. Whatever the profession you are in, automating and organizing your life around digital tools is essential to your work and well-being. We often think we must find a work-life balance, but it is not entirely true. It's more important to maximize your time to complete tasks in a timely fashion. Do not burn yourself out and instead, focus on maximizing your time to be with family, friends, and your significant other. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.